Well, let's talk about what are Webflow elements. And in the past, we already learned about HTML and CSS. And now I'm going to show you what are Webflow elements. And from past few videos, we are using them. But let's talk in detail how to use them. On my screen, on the left side, you will find Navigator. And as we spoke about HTML elements, all of these elements can be accessed or can be used in Webflow. On the left side, if you go to this plus icon, you have two tabs. One are elements, and on the second on the second side, you have layouts. There are some pre-defined, pre-built layouts from Webflow. You can go and access them. You can play around with them, but we are not going to use them. So we are going to build everything from scratch. So elements are what Webflow, what HTML give us. So that HTML elements can all be accessed from our panels, from Webflow dashboard. Nowadays, Webflow are also adding their own panels, own kind of structure, own kind of elements there also. But all of these are built based upon HTML. But now if I want to use any of these elements, I can just click it. It's going to come up on my screen. But if I also, there's an also option to drag and drop it somewhere. So I have these three buttons. I can just remove all of them here. And then if I try to add some kind of box, I can just select div. And if I want to add some button inside that box, I can have it there also. Whenever you select any element, it's going to show in your navigator. On the left side, if you come here and click on this three lines dot, this is called a navigator. And all of these elements can be accessed here. Now, if you want to add more elements, if I just keep on adding some elements, for example, some buttons, some paragraph, some title, they can be grouped or they can be separate. For example, if I want to click this one and drag it out of this box, I can do it. And then if I want to put it down here, I can do it that like if I want to add like container, if I want to add like a list, all of these can be added just by clicking or dragging and dropping from this area. This is called Webflow elements. That's it for this short video. See you in the next video.